So today is the 24th of June, and I'm over here by this man-of-war bridge and this man-of-war park over here. And I came over here to find a cache, and it was raining just a little bit, so I took the cache to the Tahoe to sign the logbook and kind of get out of the rain a little bit. So this is the cache I found right here, and I was gonna just take it back to where it was hidden. It's hidden over here under a boulder off of the trail here. There's another trail that goes through. This just goes over to the bridge. This is the man-of-war bridge, and there's a Mason sign over here I was going to show you, but I was going to put the cache back where I found it. So it was right under this rock here. So I was gonna put it back. What goes right here, probably with this rock under in front of it. But here, this talked about the man-of-war bridge. It was, when did they build the bridge? So you can read it. So this is the bridge and the plaque that says it. But imagine I have to come here and get some information from the sign for the virtual lab over here. So I'm gonna have to consider doing that. Alright. So this is the man-of-war. Oops. This is the man-of-war bridge. So I just wanted to come over here just to put that back, since I found when it was raining a little bit. Little storm clouds around. So I'm gonna go back to the Tahoe. Probably go somewhere else. So I hope you enjoyed the video.